Hey there guys, it's me Arcturus once again, and today we have a very special unboxing today. Something just arrived into the mail. Shall we open it up? Careful, yeah. This could be an ASMR. With a bayonet and stuff. You know it has a tooth that you could just saw through, you know.
Now this is tape anyway, so.
Alright. Oh my. I am not showing this. You know, for packaging, this looks very neat. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Ah.
I've got it.
No, it's
Oh,
the
yeah.
chest rig, my man. This one's mine. That one's yours. Ah, yes. High cap AK mag.
Let's cut that one out.
Oh, what's this?
Lancer test.
Lancer Tactical. Absolutely. Spent $350 in products and redeemed one gift. Sorry, not for me. Well, it's kind of ironic since I bought a Lancer Tactical branded. Oh wow, they even changed the buttons. Look at that. It's Lancer.
Okay. Then let's change camera angle.
Up to you.
Very much E&L style.
Oh, yeah, it does look like an E&L quality certificate. That's neat. They brought so much freebies. What is in there? A coaster. A coaster. You actually put your mug on here, did you know?
An armband of sorts.
I think so. Is that the variable?
This is the variable mid cap. So you just have to press the button like you remove the cap, then switch the button.
Not gonna lie, that gun looks very sexy. So do not eat silica. That's the high cap?
That's the high cap. And then here's the
Black muzzle device. Not bad, this stuff. So they have a quality certificate, a booklet with more advertisements, and, well, what do you know? Cleaning on jamming rods. Do you want, let's see how that measures up to our other AKs, or that'll be some other time?
Some other time.
I see.
By the way, try to hoist the thing.
Alright, if you don't mind. Okay, first impressions. This thing is actually surprisingly light. Don't you agree? Ah. The grip, the textured grip is good. It's a foldable buttstock. So it's stiff. Did you already safety select it?
I moved the selector.
Alright. It has a 2-round burst, but since this is Airsoft, don't have it right now. Damn, caliber. Oh, check this out. Even has a stamping caliber 545.
It's not seen, we need some light.
Okay, we see.